can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm ETHLend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Aave. Aave is up 10% over the last 1 week. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. We're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are starting to show us, maybe just maybe, they are ready for that big pump to the upside, including Aave, which currently trades around the $118 level. In this video, we'll look at Aave's performance against the US dollar over a weekly period, look at Aave's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, Aave's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at Aave's market cap, which currently sits around the $1.8 billion level. How high can Aave go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Should we be buying more, adding to our portfolio? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Aave currently trades around $118 with a market cap of $1.8 billion, fully diluted market cap sitting at $1.89 billion, a total supply of 16 million tokens, a circulating supply of 15.37 million Aave tokens. The all-time high for Aave came in on the 18th of May 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $666. Right now it's down 82% from its all-time highs. And if you're following the altcoin market over the last few months, you see that a lot of altcoins had difficult times dumping to Goblin Town, but the last 1 week has seen some of them bounce back to life. If you look at what Aave has done through the years, we have seen it have its own time in the sun. We have seen Aave pump aggressively to the moon, but then again, when the market is bearish, Aave also dumps to Goblin Town. The altcoin market is very volatile. The reason why we're buying these altcoins, guys, is because we enjoy that volatility to the upside. We want to get that 5x, that 10x, that 20x pump to the upside. But then there's the other side of it. There's the other side of the volatility where we dump to Goblin Town, where a lot of these altcoins could easily dump 90% down to Goblin Town. Look at what Aave did after it was launched in November of 2020, perfectly launched, entering into that 2021 bull market. We saw Aave going from as low as $26, pumping to an all-time high of over $600. Aave rallied up by more than 2,400% to the upside. That's one of the biggest pumps we've seen for Aave since its existence. After it had that kind of great pump to the upside, bless me, we saw Aave also dumping to Goblin Town. We saw Aave going from that all-time highs, dragging itself down to Goblin Town. That's what happens in the bear market. A lot of these altcoins dump aggressively to Goblin Town in the bear market. And in Aave's full crypto bear market, we saw it losing 92% of its value in the process. It took around 400 days for the dump to be completed, but we saw Aave heading back to the $50 level, and that's what a lot of altcoins do. They regress during the bear markets, and those smart market participants that could buy them at cheap prices, the market always finds a way to reward you in the nearest future. A lot of market participants were accumulating Aave between $51 and $110. That was a key level for Aave. And even though we have not seen it pump to new all-time highs, we saw it rally into 2024. December 2024, saw Aave touching the $390 level. That was a 650% pump from the $51 region. That $390 level is proving to be the line in the sand. We've gotten there multiple times and we've gotten rejected there multiple times. I'll not be shocked to see us still having some difficulties there in the nearest future. But right now, Aave trades around the $118 level. The next key level for us, if we continue our journey to higher prices, will not be straight to new all-time highs. We might see Aave face some difficulties when we get to that $250 region. I strongly believe at some point in time in the future, we'll see Aave rising aggressively to new all-time highs. From where we're currently trading right now, we could see Aave rally towards the $600 level, pumping by more than 433%. You have to remember, guys, that these altcoins are very volatile. The market will give you an opportunity to buy them at low prices. But then again, if you buy them at low prices, you'll be able to sell them at high prices in the future. There's extreme level of pessimism in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, Pessimism has been a good time to buy when market participants are very, very confused. When market participants believe we're going to zero, that's when you should be buying Aave, getting ready for the big pump to the upside. If you buy low, you can sell high. If you buy high, the market will find a way to force you to sell low at the future date. Can Aave pump 400% in that short period of time? Historically, that's happened. I've seen Aave even have greater pumps in shorter periods of time. The 2021 bull market for Aave, most of the pumps came in just 91 days, where Aave rallied up by more than 1,000% in just a 91-day period. You never want to say never with the altcoin market. You wanna have your portfolio stacked with a lot of Aave if you're expecting it to outperform Bitcoin. If you look at Aave's performance against Bitcoin over the last few months, we have seen it consolidating. Even though we have seen it dump to gobbling town since 2021, something fundamentally changed in June of 2024, and since then we've not dropped to new lows. Since then we've seen Aave moving sideways. So my bull case situation for Aave will be us pumping aggressively to the moon over the next few days and the next few weeks. A 300% pump to the upside will not be outrageous. I love these altcoins, guys. They outperform Bitcoin when the market is having a great time. If you look at what has happened over the last 1 week, we've seen a lot of altcoins pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin, the king of the market, in the last 1 week is up 10%. A lot of altcoins already doing better than 10%. I expect Aave to join other altcoins by outperforming Bitcoin crazily over the next few days and the next few months. Now look at Aave's performance against Ethereum, similar price action. Aave was dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum since the top came in for it in 2021. But in 2024, we found the bottom. And even though we saw Aave outperforming Ethereum for more than 385 days in 2024, right now it's still up 120% from the bottom. I'll still be expecting Aave to outperform Ethereum also. Historically, a lot of market participants in the final phase of the market cycle start flipping their Bitcoin and their Ethereum into the altcoin market. We're here to make those big gains. We're here for those 10x, those 20x, those 30x. And Aave, maybe one of those altcoins to return, to give us this kind of huge return, with Aave's market cap sitting at the $1.8 billion level, with the extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. History has shown us when you buy when there's extreme fear, when you buy when market participants believe we're going towards zero, when you buy when pessimism is at an all-time high. Historically, in the future, you'll be happy you did. You'll be singing Kumbaya. With Aave's market cap sitting at the $1.8 billion level, what will it take us to get to new all-time highs? It will take us having a crazy pump to the upside. But so we're going to the upside. The major resistance level for Aave in its market capitalization chart is around that 5.8 to the $6 billion level. We've seen Aave get to $5.8 billion multiple times, and we've gotten rejected there. I'll not be shocked, guys, if that $5.8 billion prove very difficult. If not, we might see Aave finally getting to new all-time highs, finally getting to that $10 billion level. The previous all-time highs for Aave market cap right now sits around the $8.5 billion level. For us to get to $10 billion, we need to see Aave pump by more than 450% to the upside. Historically, all coins go crazy in the end of the market cycle. Historically, most of the gains are made in that final phase of the market cycle. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, the altcoin market is showing signs of live pumping front, left, and center. Aave is joining the party. How high do you think Aave can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you accumulating more Aave in your portfolio? When will you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.